Today I will focus to is on Python and what's Python is on in Python and use Jupyter notebook to execute your code and print function variable and swapping variable. We change variable to container variable to variable. Talk about Python. We can go to python.org to find more information about Python. Python is a language, among many language to serve for developer. Python is popular now. You can use another language, but my lecture I talk about Python. Now we will execute code rule anaconda. Now we will download installation form. Go to download Python free free type for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. For my case, I use Windows, so I will download Python for Windows. You can download version 3.7 or 2.7. I download already, so now I will install Anaconda. Click to run Anaconda and wait a few minutes. Click next. Just me on user. It's up to you. To destination to install. Now I have installed already, so now I will open Anaconda and Navigator to execute my code. Anaconda. Wait a second. Wait a second. Now we allow you with notebook. So okay, you see local I nature. It's not important. You can see another local like that. So I new folder to include my code. Allow you with the notebook. You can see button 3. New, click new. In the notebook you can set the name you like hello world. Print string hello world. If you miss syntax like this, you miss the bracket, you have receive the error syntax. So you must type exactly the bracket in this. We have available I equal 1, B equal 2. Now we can print variable A and variable B to see the result 1 and 2. variable C, we will see result 2, result, result 2, we see we get the content of B, in more string. I use Jupyter because of easily to install, easily to execute. Now we will swap. We will swapping variable v1 with v2. v1 equal first string, v2 equal second string. We set to temperature variable temp1 equal v1, temperature 2 equal v2. Because it's for beginners, so it's just a simple example. You can make different code to set variable result, something like that. Now we want to show the second string. Hopefully this symbol will help you understand basic Python. This different way to swap to variable. Thank you. Leave comment if you have any issue. Okay.